You know it's good. We gotta do a lasagna.
Watching Lay, you would never guess.
We was literally snowed in. Like we couldn't even leave. We was told not to drive. We didn't even go.
Lay outfit for the snow.
She ready to get out there, y'all.
Hey family! Welcome back to a new vlog. Today is what's today, bud? What day? I think it's January the 29th or the 28th. Oh, it's the 29th. Look at this one, y'all. We're in Layla's room this morning. My morning started around 5 o'clock. Right now it's about 12:30. And I just got back home from the gym, of course. I did not bring y'all along with me, but I did make a short. So, yes, y'all will be seeing that short if you haven't already. But just got back home. Me and Leia is going to go outside and play. I'm going to let her play in the snow. It was like blurring a little bit when I was driving, but it wasn't snowing. So, like, yeah, let me take my baby outside, play in the snow, get her outside. Y'all, she's totally done with her medication. She's feeling so much better. Her nose isn't running anymore. So yeah, I feel comfortable with taking her outside. And she needs some fresh air because she has not been going outside because y'all, that wind has been whipping. So I'm scared to take her outside. But I'm gonna make sure I cover up her ears really well. And yeah, we can have some fun. So, if you're new to my channel, hi, thank you so much for coming to support me and just welcome to the channel. I hope you guys like the content and yeah, just enjoy. If you're not new and you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back to support your girl and once again. And yeah, let's just get into today's vlog. Say hey, mommy. Oh, guess she don't want to talk, but we gotta get her dressed. I'm kind of already dressed since I went to the gym, but let me just show y'all what I got on. Let me just show y'all what I got on right now. It's too crazy. But yeah, I just got on my jacket and my sweatpants that I wore to go outside. Yeah, it's warm enough for me. And I'll put some gloves on. And my little earmuffs. So let's find some for today. Still turning, y'all. But y'all know I'm real and raw. This is just how it is this morning. We're gonna pick it up. Lele, come. I'm just gonna put her on some sweatpants, some socks.
It's just a thing that we tend to say.
Lele.
Happy high, Nico. Happy high, everyone. Oh, what a cutie panda pup. Oh,
Lele, get in here. Okay. Come put your clothes on. Come here. You got tired?
I'm going to do it. No pause. Well done, Chef. Oh, yeah. Look at me, Potato.
Don't mind her hair, y'all. I'm just letting her hair breathe out before I do it. I'm probably gonna do something to it this weekend. But she just been in the house, so I just wanted her to be as comfortable as possible while she was sick.
Don't worry. I won't let go. Huggy promise. Panda promise. What school do you go to, Nico? I'm sure I think. That's my school. Wait. Mr. Jerry said there's a new boy coming.
Now sit down.
It must be you. We're in the same class. Wow. Have my classmate.
Oh no. You're my kid. I miss you. I love you.
Thank you,
your other sock on.
She got her little outfit on.
My secret snuggly. Potato is Chip's little snuggle. She takes it everywhere.
Oh, God. Okay, y'all, we out here. Y'all can see the little bit of snow that's snowing. This light outfit for the snow. She ready to get out there, y'all. Hold on. Let me show y'all us trying to get in the snow. Hold on, Mama. Wow. You see this, how thick it is? Pretty thick. Alright. Go. Wow. My ankle's wet. Mommy, ankle's wet. Your ankle wet? Ooh. It's no face. You got snow face. Let me get you another one. Uh-oh. Here you go, Mama. Here, Mama. Here, take it. Let me look down so you can see the left. Wow! Look at the snow! It's cold! Let me throw her glove. Get some snow! Get some snow! Wow! Wow, Tiki! She don't know what to do in the snow, y'all. Am I recording? Okay. Hello? Babe, can you get my gloves off the banister? Get some snow. You like it? You like it? Like a snowman? Can I make a little snowman? Look, Mommy, make a ball. Sweet. This could be his head. This could be his head, Mommy. Look, Mommy. What? Hey y'all. So we still outside. Lily over here eating snow. But I just wanted to come and thank y'all for all the congratulations from my promotion board, y'all. I'm so excited for that. Like, I was like, I'm so thankful that I got my P status. And for those of you who don't really know how that works, it's not that I got, it's not that I got promoted to sergeant, it's just that I got my promotable status. So, I mean, you cannot make it up. Y'all don't win picking up on here. Hold on, I'll talk to y'all when I get in the house. Hey y'all, it's much later. It is 4:17 now. We back in the house. I done took a shower, as y'all can tell. Got my pajamas on. Later took her shower. She's currently taking a nap. She's been taking a nap for about an hour now. So yeah. We both took a bath after we came back in. I just want to know. Well, we ate and then we took a bath. I gave Lace some ravioli. And me and DJ had some eggs and bacon. Because that was like our first meal of the day. But yeah, y'all. Yeah, but I wanted to say thank y'all to everyone who said congratulations. I didn't reply to everybody's comment. Sorry if y'all see stuff in my braces. I just got done eating some cherries, so yeah. But yeah, thank y'all. Thank y'all, thank y'all, thank y'all. I'm so happy. And yeah, I worked real hard, y'all. When I tell y'all I've been studying. And yeah. Your girl did her thing with that. And if you really don't know or understand what the whole that process is with the promotion and all that, it doesn't necessarily mean that I was promoted to sergeant. It just means that I have my promotable status. So when I get my promotion points, I'm eligible for a promotion, if that makes sense. But either way, it's a win. I'm very happy about it. And next step is BLC. I'll probably be going to BLC in March. So yeah, it's 3 weeks long. I'll pretty much be gone the whole week. It's 22 days to be exact. But I'll probably be gone the whole almost the whole month. Yeah, I don't know how I'm gonna do like the recording. I don't know if I'm just gonna do little vlogs for y'all and post it, cause I'm gonna be there by myself, so I'm gonna have ample amount of time to record. Cause after we get done with the work day, I'm pretty much just gonna be by myself, you know. But on weekends we can come back home, but I don't know if we can stay the night or not. But we gonna see. But I'm just ready to get that over with, y'all. Because yeah, I don't really want to go, but I just want to get over with. But once I have finished BLC, I will be paying corporal. It's still an E4, but it's like I'm kind of in the NCO chain or whatever. Yeah, it's a weird place to be. You're still E4. I still got the same pay and everything, but now I have more responsibilities. But anyways, yeah, y'all, that's pretty much it about that. And I just want to say thank y'all for everyone who commented and told me thank you. I know I haven't really been in the comments much, but like I told y'all, January had me and my wits end. Literally, your girl was working. January was a long month. Well, we almost done with the month. It's 29th, but January has been a long month for me, y'all. We done been to the range. I did not qualify at the range. I didn't qualify, but I got a shot. I got to shoot twice. The first time I hit, I think 15. Second time I hit 21. But when I tell y'all that range looks crazy, like I hated the way that range looked, y'all. It was so hilly, like, yeah, I just didn't like it. I wish I would have took a picture for y'all. But a lot of people didn't qualify. Well, I'm already not a good shooter. I'm already bad at shooting, and then the range sucks. So it was like, 2 wrongs don't make a right. So yeah. What else we did this month? It was a lot, y'all. Work. I told y'all I was only tango pretty much the whole month. Over 3 kennels. So whenever they needed, it was 3 doctors, 1 tech. So whenever they needed something, they called me. So it was busy. But yeah, y'all. Next month we gonna leave. I don't know what we're gonna do for leave. I don't know. We're gonna find something to do. We're gonna take Lay somewhere. I'll be on leave for 2 weeks. I'm gonna take me a personal day. Literally, y'all. I'm going out. I'm getting me a massage. I'm gonna have lunch by myself. I might get my nails done. If I don't get my nails done, then I'm just gonna do it myself. But I'm really gonna take a whole day for me. And yeah, I promised myself that. Cause I deserve it. I deserve to take some personal time. But yeah. I miss y'all. I love y'all. I'm ready to get on my grind again. I'm ready to post. Y'all, I made 2 shorts. One yesterday, one today. And I'm just so proud of myself because I'm literally already edited both of them. And I gotta do a voiceover for one. And I'm gonna do my voiceover right now after we get off the phone. And yeah, I'm gonna post it for y'all because I'm about to get on my grind, y'all. I didn't even make my threshold for YouTube this month. I'm at $90 right now for my threshold. So yeah, and we had a snowstorm yesterday, y'all. Oh my gosh. Y'all saw all the snow that was on the ground, but we had a whole snowstorm yesterday. We didn't go to work yesterday. We was literally snowed in. Like we couldn't even leave. We was told not to drive. We didn't even go to work. And then I just see my phone, like, it say, the schools are doing 2-hour delay, so we probably have a 2-hour delay work for tomorrow. So we might not do PT. I don't know. But them roads are dangerous, and yeah, I was driving really slow today when I went to the gym. But yeah, you girl just yapping, but I just miss y'all, and I want to talk to y'all. I miss y'all. And yeah. Saw y'all comments from the last vlog about Lay. She's doing better, y'all. She's doing a lot better. And I'm so glad. The medicine really did help her with her ear infection. The doctor did tell us that we were asking him like what can cause ear infections, and he just was naming, he was like, it's so much stuff that can cause ear infections. He was like, but he mentioned that if you like let your kid go to bed with a sippy cup, or like just them getting water in the ear, like, but he like listed the whole thing. But those 2 things that I know that we do, like sometimes like she like to swim in the shower, in the bathtub. I like dry her ear, but like I don't know what gets in her ear, so that could be a cause. And then also we gave her like a sippy cup every single night, but now we don't do that. So hopefully us changing those 2 things really gonna help us with that. And yeah. What else? What else I need to talk about? Oh yeah, let me go ahead and clock this too. So my video I did, if you haven't seen this video, you go watch it if you want to, I guess. I don't know. But I basically just did my basic training story time. But it's kind of been getting a little bit of views. Like I think it's almost at 10K views, and I was shocked, but it's been getting some views. But people be in the comments like just being rude, basically like saying I'm weak and like you shouldn't be in the military then, because I was literally just telling them how it affected me. Now, mind y'all, I was 17 years old, fresh out of high school, and I never worked a real job. I mean, I've worked at Sonic and stuff, but I never really. The military is different, so obviously I'm not gonna have the same feelings that I do now because I understand it more. I understand how the military works, you know. But I was just expressing to the newcomers, telling them the truth, like what to say. I'm not gonna just tell them like, oh, it's okay, or it's oh, you'll be great. Not, you will be great. You can do anything you put your mind to. But I'm not just gonna glamorize it and you just get a total shock. No, I'm gonna let you know. When I was there, it was hard for me. And I understand the drill sergeants are there for a reason. I know they're there to break us down, to build us up into soldiers. But at the same time, like, what y'all fail to realize is everything that them drill sergeants do is not okay. It don't matter that they have the job to... Their job is not to be mean. Like, that's not in their job description. Their job is to toughen us up. But that don't necessarily mean that the way they decide to do that is the appropriate way, if that makes sense. And a lot of things that they did to us I don't believe was well, I know now it wasn't appropriate. A lot of things they said wasn't appropriate. So, yeah. I just feel like a lot of people in the comments didn't, like, listen to what I said, because at the end of the day, like, I feel like I really, in the whole story, I was just telling them how I felt. Nothing that I was telling was, I was never said that this is how it's going to be. I never said that when you get there, this is how it will be. No, it was my experience and my story time. So, yeah, if you one of them people that watch that video and you feel like, oh, I don't deserve to be in the military, or I'm too soft, or whatever, honestly, you can keep that opinion, but I just wanted to clear that up for you because, honey, this is my second contract in the service. And as you go along, just like anything else, you have a better understanding, and you mature in whatever you're doing. So, yeah. And then one girl commented on the video, but she wasn't even talking, like, the comment wasn't even towards the blog. She was gonna tell about she was basically concerned that her boyfriend was gonna cheat on her. I'll put the comments right here because I'm finna paraphrase a lot, but I want y'all to see it. But basically, she was concerned about her boyfriend cheating on her. He about to leave for basic training, and then I was like, and she asked, like, do you get to choose your own partner for, like, activities? And I was like, honestly, I really don't remember that. I don't believe we were able to pick. I think it was kind of like you with this person, you with this person. But usually it's a battle buddy of the same sex. But I was like, I guess it's up to the drill sergeant. Like, if the drill sergeant wants you to pick your own partner for certain things, then maybe. I was like, if you're concerned about him cheating on you, maybe you shouldn't be with him. And, like, I wasn't trying to upset you. If you watching the video, I wasn't trying to upset you, boo. I was literally just saying, like, as a woman, I wouldn't want to be concerned about a man out there cheating on me, and it's not nobody else's fault but your boyfriend or husband, whoever it is. If they end up cheating on you, it's not nobody else's fault, because nobody owe you no loyalty except your husband. So yeah, clock that. Cause she was like, she was like, y'all see what she said, but I think she was like, something like, I heard a lot of military women like to throw themselves at married men in the military. And I'm like, I just said I wasn't trying to offend you, but y'all, like, girl, be so for real. I don't think no woman just be like, ooh, he's married and, like, let me jump on him. No, it's 9 times out of 10 in the military is you don't know that they married, or the husband, they both know and they both don't care. Like, literally, married men coming up to me all the time, and they, like, have their ring on in the military, and I'll be like, aren't you married? And I'll be like, I'm married, and they don't care. No, like, and I don't think it's just the military, y'all. I think it's just society today in our generation. But yeah, I didn't mean to upset you. She's talking about she finna unsubscribe. Like, okay. Not to be like, I'm not trying to just, like, be cocky or whatever, but I genuinely don't care if somebody else unsubscribe to me or not, because, like, if you unsubscribe, that means you just don't want to be here. Like, I don't find that offensive. Like, I feel like the people that subscribe, that mean, like, oh, I love this channel. If you don't, that mean you don't like the channel. So yeah, but I just wanted to let her know, like, I wasn't trying to offend you, Bookie. I was just trying to let you know. But yeah, I'm chilling right here watching, I don't even know what this is, Looney Tunes. Oh, Bugs Bunny Builders. I don't know what this is, but Lay put it on TV. But I'm about to do my little voice over for y'all so I can post that for y'all. But I'm on my grind again. So period. Oh yeah, and I did make my first post on TikTok. On my fitness TikTok. So if you haven't followed me, it'll be right here on the screen. Please go follow me on that TikTok. And I'll put it in the description box so you can just click the link. And like I said, if you're not following me on Snapchat, follow me on Snapchat because that's why I literally post on Snapchat daily. Just be like small stuff of us, like just if you want to stay caught up with us, what we're doing. Add me on Snapchat. I gotta do better with accepting friend requests on Snapchat because y'all, I don't know. I forget I be telling y'all to add me on Snapchat and I be like, who is that? So yeah, like all these, I have to accept these. I don't even know if these y'all or not, but I'm gonna accept them. Look how many I got, y'all. I'm gonna accept them. I be forgetting that I told y'all to add me, so let me go ahead and do that right now, actually. But yeah, I love y'all so much, and I'll probably see y'all when Lay get up. I kind of want to eat some sushi, so I'm probably gonna get that for dinner because I'm hungry. Lele destroyed our breakfast, y'all. She just a hot mess. But I'm probably gonna get that for dinner. We gonna see. Got my food. Thank you, baby. Let's see what I got. Thank you, babe. I got some miso soup for Lele. She loved this stuff, y'all. I got me some crab ragoon. Got some down. And some dragon rolls. Yes, yes. Can eat this down. Let's see how it's happening. This is the same sushi place that I be going to. I've been going to, rather. You know what's good? We gotta do a lasagna. And when I tell y'all, your girl has been in a calorie deficit. I was hungry. So now, I'm gonna try it. Oh well. They like this too. I'm gonna show her one. So better. I've been finding something to watch on YouTube. Enjoy my dinner on your own. Leia, you wake up from your nap? You're so cute. Say hey, everyone. Hey, everybody. Tell them we about to watch a movie. So me, Daddy, Mama, we about to watch a movie. Tell them, Dookie, tell them. They can't see you. Ooh. Don't mess with Mommy belly fat. Don't do Mommy like that. What you got, Daddy? What we watching, Lay? You would never guess. Deadpool. Look at those stinky little toes. Yuck. Get those things out of here.
Wolverine dead on the stick still.
Missing friend. Do y'all watch Marvel movies? If not, y'all need to get into it.
Put that rice back on.
Oof, and my body messed up. We was watching our movie. We about to go to bed now though. These two playing. What y'all playing? Lele, he in here. Lele. Lele. Lele, come here. He right here. He right here.
Yeah, but you don't swallow it. I used it to feed you. Nope.
You gonna tag him with the ball or what? Get him! Get Daddy! Boom! Dad,
I'm gonna
That
get
girl
you.
said good job.
I'm gonna get you.
ready to die?
I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you.
That girl is checking in. My girl is checking in. But yeah, we're closing out our night, y'all. I want to come in the vlog, let y'all know. Everybody go to bed. Hope you guys enjoy. Mama, that girl locked in, y'all. Lele, come here. He in your bathroom. He in the bath. He in the bath. Go get the bath. Oh, he right there. He scared you? Anyways.
Give me that ball. Give me that ball. Give me that ball.
Dad, I'm so Daddy, Mama, tell them good night. Say night, we'll see y'all tomorrow. Okay, y'all. No, we're gonna go to bed. Excuse me, back I am. Sit down. Ow! Ow! You elbow! Anywho, make sure I leave a like, comment, subscribe. Ouch! Zalea, sit down. But you get a pop. Make sure y'all leave a like, comment, and subscribe. We love y'all, and we gonna see y'all in our next vlog. Stop.